Hello, here we're going to be looking at substitution. So the objective here is to substitute numbers into formulae accurately. So before we get started, we need to know a couple of definitions. So a formula is a rule or equation showing the relationship between two or more variables. And to substitute means to replace a letter with a number. So when you order shopping online, if there are things that are out of stock, you might receive some substitutes. So that means what they've done is they've replaced some of your items with something they think is quite similar. So in maths, substitute means a very similar thing. So we're still replacing, but specifically we're replacing letters with numbers. So here's an example. We have given that a equals 5n. We want to find a when n is 7. So we are going to replace n with 7. So we have a equals 5 times 7, which is 35. So when n is 7, a is 35. So in this example here, we have v equals u plus at. Find v when u is 3, a is 2, and t is 4. So again, we're just going to replace those three letters with the numbers. So we have v equals u, so 3 plus a, so 2 times 4, which is t. So we have 3 plus 8, which is 11. So v equals 11. So this example here, we have given that e equals mc squared. Find e when m is 2, c is 3. So we have e equals 2 times 3 squared. So 2 times 9, so that is 18. So this is an exam style question. So it says the formula for the area of a trapezium is given by a equals a half a plus b times h. Find the area when a is 5, b is 9 and h is 4. So we're going to just replace a with 5, b with 9 and h with 4. So we have a equals a half times 5 plus 9 times 4. So it's a half times 14 times 4. So a half of 14, that's just 7. So 7 times 4 equals 28. So it's 28 units squared. Okay? So here's a couple of quick fire practice questions on this topic. So pause the video if you want to have a go at these, and I will show the answers in a short moment. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go at those. So the answers to those questions have just been displayed. So well done if you got them all correct. If you didn't, maybe have a look at a couple of the examples earlier on in the video, again, just to see where you went wrong. But that's everything for this video. So I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.